Welcome to Vision MBA guys, my name is Sneha and today in this video I'm going to talk about the CMAT examination. Yes, you heard it right, CMAT examination. You guys must be having questions in your mind like when exactly is the CMAT examination, when are the registrations going to start. But guys, let's not let these registration come behind your preparation. Let's stay focused and start preparing for this examination. So guys, CMAT examination will mostly bear within a month, mostly in the month of March. We are expecting the examination should be scheduled within a week or few. The registrations should start and we all should fill the form. If you're planning to do an MBA in Mumbai, or most of the colleges in Mumbai also accept the CMAT examination score. Here are some of the mentioned colleges which accept CMAT score, like KJ Somayas is there, you have Sidnim, Pumba, Goa Institute of Management, Wellinger, SIES and ITM like colleges also accept the score of CMAT examination. So if you're planning to do an MBA from either of these colleges and many more colleges which accept the CMAT score, you should go for this examination, you should fill the form. The sections which are there in the CMAT examination are language based, which is your verbal, you have your quant, logical reasoning, GK, all have 25 direct questions being asked in the examination. Then you have your innovation and entrepreneurship, which again has 25 direct questions. +4 for the correct answer, -1 is the negative marking, but you have 3.5 hours to solve these many amount of questions. So guys, we're going to launch a new batch for all the students who are planning for CMAT examination or want to appear for CMAT examination this year. What we are going to provide is like these books. For GK, we're going to provide you with this book. For verbal, for improving your vocabulary skills, we have Word Power Made Easy. So these are the two books which will be characterized in your verbal area and for your GK. Apart from that, these are the books which we are going to give you. Your logical reasoning and quant and the verbal area to study from. Now guys, these books have all the syllabus being covered for such examinations. All the concepts are being explained. There are many questions in these books which you can solve. Also, we're going to provide you with the mocks topic wise test series based for the CMAT examination. There will be offline lectures at Thane. And also we have a limited student batch because we believe in customized batches wherein the student can actually interact with the faculty and can ask as many questions as they want. So guys, if you're looking forward to prepare for CMAT examination or you have already appeared for any of the MBA entrance exams and just want a glimpse or a specific strategy or a way you can improve the score in CMAT examination, you should go for this batch, or you should once interact with us. We'll be giving or sharing you tips how you can improve the score. Enrolling, not enrolling, or you want to go for this program is secondary, but yes, we are happy to help you and to exactly know how exactly you can score a good amount of score in this examination. So guys, if you like this video, please press the bell icon, press the like button, do subscribe to our channel. Also on Instagram we have a channel named Vision MBA wherein daily we share some content regarding the MBA entrance exams, the college forms when are out, the last date for filling the application and so on. So for now, if you're planning for CMAT, any doubts in your mind, any questions you want to ask, do comment it down below. We are here, we'll be answering all your questions. Till then, take care, bye bye.